I want public.
I want general, good. So I got my general, everything level?
I don't say me come link though. To all a reason.
All a reason? Brother, the best way for reason, you know, are with some spirits, you know. So you don't know the thing go. Shop along us still, I don't know if you do that thing.
Alright, so I get the 2 juice and follow back then.
Alright, brother. I'm there, so I'll wait for you.
Yeah, let's go on in the page.
Now give me 2 beer then.
Cool or hot?
2 cold ones.
Feel say you're fine on the mile from car around can't get you.
You might phone me grandma, oh God, me say Merry Christmas, sister. Go put on that tree, me going to go. Put on that tree, if Christmas tree, put on it, me going to go. And I'll make them take my picture with it. Let me that.
Baby, I got one film, man. What about the film? What about the film?
Thank you.
Someone here with me. I think we can sit down and wait, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll get bored. Where are we there?
Have a great day.
You know
You go first.
You are regular?
Yeah, my boss, respect our manners. Come so man, come so reason man. Where you so? See seat man, wait for you. Where you so man? Don't know anything man. Roll it. So you say I go on, brother?
Yeah, I go on easy man. So life.
Life good man, but me I say when done say you have something to talk about, so I wonder what you have to talk about.
Why woman give me no friend there, I don't feel thinking for that.
Alright. It's them the situation you know, it's kinda sticky because if you not give up, it's maybe because she have give it somewhere else or something. But how you gonna solve it? You have to either make up your mind and just left out, you know what I mean, or talk to her, sit down and reason with her. So me I tell you say, yo, you have to just do what you have to do and just, you know, me, I'll get front of the road. Because you can't, but it's just rough, you know.
Baby, now you me I call you.
Hold on man, that's easy man.
Don't tell me for easy, because right now me I get ignorant for you.
Yo, me and the man a reason and I have a little thing at all.
Reason about what? So we and him a reason about or whatever, you know they chat about whatever we want to write it, put it. Me no care about that. So, me no important to you no more.
It's important man, we have to, yo, brother, yo, you're what one.
You have a right to stutter. You know, say you're stuck, you don't know what to say. Whatever you chat about, me not give a damn what you chat about. After me and you plan to go somewhere, you sit on a roadside and chat about friend. So me and I better go out again. Look,
we go.
No, look, me put on my clothes, look. How me not look good for you.
Just give me a minute,
1 minute you're out, that's too long.
No,
my youth, one party I go, want to fear woman. Want to fear woman.
About it, brother. Yo.
No, you know, look like I said,
Yo,
look here.
We sort
You see one on 2 idler, that's how no man left for no, but you're there roadside, I can chat up to
come in, okay. Hey, come in, man. Wait up. Brother.
Alright, my boss. Oh, I still not get my help to where like it's serious.
Tell you something, man. See? Based on what going down by the feet, say just out this up. Yo. You want to go a place? We are going a place. Just get ready. You ready already? So just. You still want to go? Tell me if you still want to go. Because I understand he upsets me with that reason the brother. I'm a brethren and he have a little issue. So if you have an issue, we have to just talk. Let's talk, we are talking now. You ready? You want money to get everything sorted out properly? What you want? Talk to me.
You feel you can't style me? You can't style me. Made it too long for me to know you stay. What you do? Take money and catch me? Me get money from you all the while. And that some uno man no understand. You no feel say you go money is everything. No, money is not everything. Woman want love and affection and attention. Woman like them something there.
So
you should have known that. No, you have time for your friend them.
That, man.
You have time for your friend them and I have no time for me. More for no walk on. If I'm me or a she, me don't know. Because you look like you have somebody else outside.
No.
What is the problem?
Nothing like that. So here we are going. We are going. Nobody with the bad vibes. No negative vibes. Yeah, because I want you, I'm more happy. You understand me? I say, so nobody, you know, bring that. I just bad luck if you know, say, boy, I help me bridging them and talk about certain situations. So, just nobody with that.
Done.
See, nobody with that.
Me not bring on no vibes. Any vibes bring on here, so why you carry it right here. So, because me alone, everything is okay. You never have time for me.
Me have time for you. Me have time for you. Me make time for you.
Yo, public.
How this here? No man has just come. You see what me I tell about your friend them? How come see your friend? No, me not understand this. I want my your friend.
Sorry about that, man.
Look, listen to me now.
Hold on. You what going, boss? What going, brother? Come in and be that.
You know, someone help me sit over me at the place.
The same thing.
Move out something, but they're heavy.
You see, me not stop you from help your friend them. You always tell them, I don't have a problem with you helping. Don't say nothing to me. Me not have no problem with you helping your friend them.
Yeah, man. Sorry about that. Yeah.
No, babe, me. Listen what me I say now. Me serious.
You want to go a place?
Just listen. Me not talk about go out again. That me done with that long time. Listen what me I say now.
We not go out again.
No, just you can listen. You can just listen, please.
Yes, I can.
You see you now, you put your friend them in front of me. Me not stop you from help your friend them. You have your friend, of course you can help your friend them if I have 1 or 2 times. But every time you don't have no time for me, only your friend them. When me cannot go and go there with your friend them then. Hear me now. You can't help your friend them. Me not stop you from help your friend them. But all the time, babe, you don't have no time for me. Me not understand that. What past that?
To that full time. Just get ready, me soon fall. Just get ready. Saying just start the thing and just relax your mind. 5 minutes. Me say help the virgin man, cause you don't know so if me in a situation want to move stuff and can't move stuff, he would have to help me as well. So just babe.
Your mother did send you to school, don't it?
It's not to do at school, babe.
Isn't it? Your mother send you to school?
Yeah.
And where you go learn? If you turn counselor, you want to help your friend, you might come back and see me now.
No bother with that, man. Alright, you are. Me I call him and tell him I'm not bother. Or I forget somebody else. So come get ready for go. You ready? Come on, ready. Come on, grab a purse.
You know, say, idiot,
grab a purse. We are going.
Grab
your purse then. Let's go.
I'm not going nowhere with you. Go on to your friend them. You feel say me an idiot. Go on to your friend them and them you want to go to. You say I go all when they ask me, you that go anywhere. It doesn't make any sense.
Oh boy, you make life complicated.
Me make life complicated because you don't have no time for your woman and it cause the complication in our life. You need to stop it now. We important to one another. You put people in front of you to worry. Big up yourself. You are cause a like argument in you. You. All when me try to ignore certain things, you still they continue. Look, how much of your friend them you see you talk to from there? How much of your friend them are cause the problem between me and you? You don't realize that?
No, you see the worst thing about this situation is that you just can't understand from my perspective.
What is your perspective?
No, but if me when I see the same situation, I would want them to help me. You know what I mean?
You get what I said before?
In times like this, is who you can trust and who you can call upon. It's not who know you, you know what I mean? And all of them something.
You know, look like you get what I said before. Me say you can't help your friend, but you can't help all of your friend them and put for your woman behind. How that add up? That not even minus take away, nothing at all, division, nothing.
So what we are doing?
We are the way you are do. Me know me in a film head.
Come on, let's go. Let's go have some good time. Because we plan already. Come in, man. Saying, come on, man.
You know, so I'm tired to forgive you.
Come on, man. Alright, let's
I'm tired to forgive you. God knows, I'm tired to forgive you. I can't bother with them sitting here.
Come in, man. I'll make things good.
Last time I forgive you, because every time you do the same thing, I forgive you again. God knows.